It was revealed on January 13th by a representative of the upcoming drama, Slowly But Intensely, that filming officially began on January 12, top billed by Gong Yoo and Song Ye-kyo. Slowly But Intensely will be set in 1960s and 1970s. The drama depicts the realistic scenes of people in the broadcasting industry, delaying into the lives of stars on stage and the people behind the scenes who create those stars. It will be written by No Hee-kyung, who penned the previous notable dramas It's Okay That's Love, Dear My Friends, Our Blues, and more. Song Ye-kyo recently garnered attention for her short haircut, which she adapted in preparation for this drama. Song Ye-kyo recently appeared on the YouTube channel Fairy Cheon, and she shared, "I cut my hair for my next project. It is a project by writer No Hee-kyung. The story is set in the 1960s and 70s. Slowly But Intensely is aiming to finish filming in the first half of this year and is in talks to release on Netflix as 22-episode series." That's it mga kaanyong. Are you very excited for the tandem of Gong Yoo and Song Ye-kyo? Comment your thoughts below.